Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can sell Shiba Inu on Trust Wallet. It's easy to get this done. Make sure you have some Ethereum on your wallet to pay for the gas fees involved, and simply search for the Shiba Inu token. So when you type in SHIB and click on the Shiba Inu, that's the native Shiba Inu. As I said before, make sure you have some Ethereum to be able to interact with this token. And now, before you can sell, there's no direct sell option for the Shiba Inu. But what you could do instead is click on the swap option, and where we have SHIB to Ethereum, enter the amount of Shiba Inu you wish. Let's say I have this amount of Shiba Inu. All I need to do is simply click on the approve option, and then I could simply approve of my Shiba Inu for swapping to 3 Ethereum. Now, once I've gotten 3 Ethereum's worth of SHIB, head over to the search option and simply type in Ethereum. That's ETH. With your Ethereum, that's the native network Ethereum. Once you've selected this option, click on the more icon and click on sell. By doing this, you could enter the 3 Ethereum for sale, and then by using Ramp as a provider, you could basically sell with the provider there by adding your billing address and your debit card info, and simply sell your 3 Ethereum there. Okay guys, and another option to sell the Shiba Inu is simply click on the send option. You're going to need Ethereum to pay your transaction fees. Click on the send option, and we're going to be getting the wallet address from a centralized exchange of our choice. The centralized exchange I'm going to be working with for today's video is Binance. So once you've installed the Binance app, or with your available Binance app, open it up. And with the Binance app opened up, please make sure you have an account on Binance. Otherwise, make use of our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, so you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebate when you register and verify your account. So guys, the next step to depositing the SHIB on Binance is click on the deposit icon. Once you've clicked on the deposit icon, click on the SHIB or search for the Shiba Inu. Once you've found the Shiba Inu, select the network, and the network we're working with is the Ethereum. So that's the ERC20. Once there, copy the wallet address, minimize and open up your Trust Wallet. And with the Trust Wallet opened up, paste the address there, enter the amount of Shiba Inu you wish to send, and simply click on Next. Once you've done this, you get to send your Shiba Inu over from Binance, over from Trust Wallet to your Binance application. And once there, simply scroll to the wallet section at the bottom right. And from the overview, scroll to your spot or funding wallet, depending on where the Shiba Inu is stored. And if you check your spot wallet, you'd find it there. If it's on your funding wallet, better. So now all you need to do to sell the Shiba Inu is quite easy. Simply head over to the home section, click on the convert icon here, and where we have spot wallet, enter the amount of Shiba Inu you wish to sell, click on the meme coin, and simply search for USDT. Click on the Tether USDT, enter the amount of Shiba Inu you wish to sell, click on preview conversion, and click on convert. Please make sure you send a good amount of the SHIB, and once you've confirmed the swap, head over to the wallet section, the USDT here, click on the transfer option, enter the amount, and click on confirm transfer. We've successfully transferred our USDT from the spot to the funding wallet. Please make sure you get your USDT from your spot wallet to the funding. Now on the funding wallet, click on the P2P option that's displayed. Once you've selected P2P, we're going to be selling our USDT via the P2P, so your account must be verified. Click on the sell option and scroll down and select the merchant who has a verified badge by their name. Click on the sell, enter the amount of USDT you wish to sell, and then simply click on payment method. Now your payment method can be gotten from the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, where you can simply click on add payment method and simply add the payment method based on your region. So back at the sell USDT option, click on the sell, enter the amount you wish to sell, enter this payment method, and then simply click on sell USDT. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can sell Shiba Inu on Trust Wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.